Hey internet friends, do you ever feel as though you edit out your own subjective values and truths in order to communicate a more objective piece of information that will essentially cause less chaos because it lacks the ability to really fuel an opinion-based argument? Well, hello, my name is Lindsay, aka LiJo, and I do this. I realized this year that you guys don't really know me. You know bites of information that I choose to use as tools in order to communicate a greater point that I'm trying to make in my videos. But I realized this year that I don't just do this on YouTube, I do this throughout life in general. As an IJ, my greatest fear, my greatest thing I deal with is chaos. I just do not want chaos because it takes me away from the trajectory in which I'm going to get something that's stuck in the garbage disposal out, or to listen to someone vent on a topic for far longer than I had time for. Yes, I can be a controlling ass. I am very, very specific with the direction and the energy in which I am moving throughout time. So as it relates to opinions and emotions that get involved, I very much bring that into the chaos category. So it has just become very easy, or just is easy in my nature, to edit out my own identity as it relates to certain things, just because of the fact I don't want to have to deal with someone else talking about it. I mean, sure, I have likes and dislikes, personal subjective stances on things that I could definitely talk about, but at what cost? And previously, the cost of the chaos never really seemed worth it. However, this year, for the sake of growing my own FI identity, I have decided, screw it. I need to become more comfortable taking a very subjective stance, a very opinion-driven stance on things, and getting better at communicating and developing my own identity, like in the sensory, in the real life world. And how I'm going to practice this is I'm going to use YouTube as a tool selfishly for myself, to grow this. And what I'm going to do is release at least one video a month in which I am just going to give you the good old FI from my point of view on some kind of subject. The first video I'm going to do on this should be coming out after this video, and it will be on why I don't binge watch shows. Completely from my point of view, nothing specifically related to typology or personality, though I'm sure you will see my personality through the video. And yeah, so I'm using my YouTube channel as a tool for that at least once a month, and hopefully you'll get to know me a little better as a human. And also for the other IJs and EJs out there, if you want to take this kind of challenge and apply it to your own life, if you've seen yourself editing out your identity, or really any type, if you're guilty of doing this as I am, not being able to feel comfortable taking a subjective stance on things just for the heck of it. Now, I'll debate you on anything that is related to a subject outside of myself, something that isn't related to like my personal points of view. I'll go and I'll throw down on that all day. However, the subjective side kind of seems weird. So, and we don't even have to talk about all the subjective, objective. Okay, I know. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you'd like to join me on this journey, what's your practice going to be for this year? Kind of a strange, not a resolution, just a new way of practicing something moving forward in the new year. So let me know below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, internet friends.